Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you think every click on the play button is like a blind date, then I suggest you should check your channel's first impression, the intro video. Today, we're going to unveil how to create a YouTube intro video that dazzles without making people hit skip instantly. Ready? Let's roll. First off, let's talk about what an intro is. In a nutshell, an intro is like a trailer for an awesome movie, needing to tell your audience in just a few seconds, hey, stick around, we've got some good stuff coming. You might ask, why do I need a catchy intro? Imagine you're scrolling through YouTube, picking videos like you're choosing snacks at the supermarket. Your intro is the most attractive part of the packaging that makes people stop and click on your video. It not only boosts brand recognition, but also helps your audience remember you amidst the vast ocean of YouTube, just like remembering that always smiling supermarket cashier. In the second part, we discuss what elements a good intro needs to contain. 1. Brand identity. The intro should clearly display your brand elements, such as the logo, brand name, or iconic images. This helps to enhance brand recognition. 2. Clear theme. The video should clearly convey the theme of the channel or the content of the video, letting the audience immediately understand what type of content they can expect. 3. Attractive visual effects. Using eye-catching visual effects can grab the audience's attention and make your video stand out among many others. 4. Pleasing music or sound effects. The background music or sound effects should match your brand and video content, enhancing the viewing experience for the audience. 5. Conciseness. An effective intro should be short and direct, typically no longer than 10 seconds, to prevent the audience from getting bored or skipping. 6. Professional quality. Both the visual quality of the video and the clarity of the audio should maintain a high standard, reflecting your professional attitude towards the content. 7. Creative elements. Adding unique creative elements can make your intro stand out, such as special animations, captivating slogans, or creative transitions. 8. Call to action. Optional. Although not necessary, including a brief call to action in the intro, such as encouraging subscriptions or turning on notifications, can help increase audience interaction. From this summary, you should now have a clearer idea of what makes a great intro. So go ahead and give it a shot. If it still seems a bit daunting and you're not sure where to start, don't worry. In the next segment, we'll guide you through customizing your own intro using straightforward templates. With these at your disposal, all you'll need to do is select, drag, and tweak to your liking. Let's simplify the process and get you on your way to creating an intro that stands out. Step 1. Open Filmora and go to the template panel to find the intro section. Here, you'll find a wealth of resources to choose from, covering a wide range of themes. For instance, if you're a sports channel vlogger, you can scroll through the thumbnails of these templates and pick one you like. If you hover your mouse over a thumbnail, you can preview the template's effect. Alternatively, you can search for sports in the search box to find templates that better match your keyword. Step 2. Drag the template onto the timeline and double-click it. Here, you can replace the video and re-edit the text. Step 3. If you feel the current intro is too long, right-click and choose Create Compound Clip. Then, choose the speed option. By adding keyframes to the clip, you can shorten the intro to within 5 seconds. Finally, you can also detach the audio and replace it with music of your choice. Look for sports-related elements in the sticker panel to add to your intro, enriching the visual experience even further. For more video editing tips like these, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out our website, filmora.wondershare.com.